It is an error because when it gets dry, it will streak down and will become difficult. When I'm doing hair video, I don't like to cut the cut the most important part away because I want to make the video short for you. So I explain so that when you are doing yours, you know what to be expecting. Beautiful people, how are you doing, beautiful family? I hope you guys are doing fine. In today's video, there's nothing more. I just want to show you how to protect long natural hair from breaking during wash time or wash day routine. So as you can see, this is my baby girl. She got long hair, as you can see. So I just finished washing this hair with shampoo, and after shampooing it, now I'm putting hair conditioner, which is Balsamo. What I am doing to prevent the breakage is I wash this hair in session. The session was more bigger. Now that I'm putting Balsamo, I begin to cut the session into a smaller session. So this is an example. I will show it to you later. So I add a little bit. So I put it session a little bit like this. So why do I do this? When I was putting the Balsamo, I comb it with finger, and I later finish up with the Tango brush, something like this. And I also use this. So we are still in the process of washing. That is why you are seeing everything rough. So why do I session it like this? It's to prevent breakage. When you finish washing natural hair, it's an error for you to just wash and rinse it like this, because this is 4C hair. It's the most beautiful and most kinky. It is an error because when it gets dry, it will streak down and will become difficult and hard for you again to stretch or to comb or to detangle. So for you to prevent that breakage, that stress of combing it again, detangling it again by the time it gets dry, after a few hours or a few days, this is what you do. You put it like this in sections, like this. For example, I've already put Balsamo on this. This is the Balsamo I'm using. This Morocco black oil, as you can see. So when you are putting Balsamo on your hair, you concentrate on the tip, because under hair is less tangle than the tip. So you just stretch it. As I'm stretching it now, I don't just rub it, I am detangling it. Although I've detangled it already, I'm showing you the process now. I'm detangling it. So if it was not yet tangled, what do? You put your finger like this, then you separate it in a little section. You see? So I'm doing this. You are detangling it. So as you are doing this, you are detangling it. So when you see something that is stubborn, you carefully open it with your hand. So by the time you do this, you go another sideways again, then you detangle. Now it is flexible and easy because it has been detangled. But if it was not yet detangled, sometimes it might hook like this. All you need to do, be careful. You put a little bit water on your palm and just rub it, just to soften it. Then after that, you come with the, you start from the tip like this, for the tip. So throughout this, by doing this, you are helping the under already, because when you start from below, it will get stuck, because here is more or less tangle. You understand? I hope I'm making sense. So you start from the tip. So if the hair is still too strong or still tangled, then how do I speak this English? You choke it like this. You just, okay, you tease it. Thank you. That's the right word I'm looking for. You tease it like this. You tease your hair. You tease it. You just tease. you tease it. This teasing, it will make life easy for you in case your hair is tangled. After which you do this. So for you to be sure that this hair is 100% free, for me, I always like to go with a bigger comb like this. Then I just do this. I do this. I want the comb to walk through it freely. Now you can see, to walk through it freely. That is to know that. So after doing that, all you need to do is just separate it to two like this. Then you twist it. Either you twist it like this. Don't forget to keep stretching it. Don't forget to keep stretching it. This will make life easy by the time you get dry. So, you see? So all this you are seeing is just normal. Normally when you put balsam on your hair, you got to wait for about 3 minutes minimum before you wash it. But as you are working on it one after the other, 3 minutes is already gone. You understand? So after this, all you need to do is just sit down and wrist it. As you are wristing it, you will be squeezing it like this. We just sit down. This is the cup that I'm using. You just pull her hair like this. This is where we are washing the hair today. So this is the shampoo I am using, and this is it. So after this, what do? You wrist it like this. You wrist it. So as you are wristing it like this, make sure the water is not too warm. Because if it's too warm, it's kind of dissolve the product. So, how to get the product out of it? This is what you do. You understand? This is what you do. Because she said she wants to sit down and wash her hair. Because later, after 4 hours from now, 3 hours, she'll be going for swimming. So because of that one, I said it doesn't make sense to wash her hair and she'll take bath and go to swimming later, and later again after swimming she has to take her bath. So we decided to do sit down wash, not just this. So as you are doing this, you squeeze it like this together. Don't do this. Everything you are just doing now is 100% with care. With care, you understand? Don't just worry the product will go away. This product is not meant to go away 100%. But wash it as you can to make sure that the product is not there. But don't let the water too hot. When the water is too hot, it brought damage to your hair. It's like taking everything you need in the product out. Understand? So you see, I'm doing this. So for the under here, this is the stretch. Yeah, it is okay. So how do you know that this hair is clean? You take one like this, then you squeeze it. So you are seeing no product. It's only normal water that is coming outside. This is how to know that the product is already gone. Or the hair. Maybe it's feeling good. Whenever I'm making a hair like this, just like, mommy, I love that massage. I love that massage. Give me a smile. I love that massage. You love that massage. We are done. So this method applies to everybody. As you can see, we Africans or Nigerians, our hair doesn't have because adults and children, we have the same texture of hair. Like this, my baby, she got exactly my texture of hair. So as you can see, we are done washing this. As you can see, the hair is super clean. It's super clean, as you can see. So now you add product. This is my product. This oil is more than 5-6 types of oil, and shea butter is among of them. Shea butter do well with natural hair. Shea butter. So I'm using this. This what is it called? olive hairdresser made with a castor oil. So at this point, raise up your head, just sit that way. So what you do now, so this product, as you are putting it, you try not to let it get under the hair too much, I mean the scalp, so that it will not make it easily dirty and itchy. You understand? So you see, as I'm adding it, I am squeezing it inside. I take take generous amount. Whenever you are dealing with natural hair, don't be stingy or selfish or sympathize with the cream. That is the food of natural hair. So you just squeeze it in. Don't bother yourself if this product will get inside. Trust me, it will get in. Like then oil, also generous amount, like you see it, you squeeze it. Then what do you do now? Go for the tip of hair. Always have to be pampered more, because that is the oldest part of your hair, and in most cases kind of weak. You need to treat it well. This one is just normal, you know. So when you wash your hair, something must remove. So you see, I am done now. As I'm talking to you now, this hair is going to swimming pool in a few hours time. Especially now that she's going to swimming pool, just try to put product on her hair because of the swimming pool water. Okay. As you can see on your face, my baby girl is almost done. I like that. So my baby girl is almost done. Then you just leave this. If you're an adult at this point, use your scarf to tie it. This hair will just lay, and you can go outside, dress. Hello, are you still there? So we have come to the end of this video. This is one of the multitude way to maintain natural hair, to prevent breakage on wash day. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.